Story 1 Top 10 STEM Discoveries of March 2026. Our review of the top STEM discoveries from last month highlights major leaps in both genetic engineering and robotics. To improve medical treatments, researchers introduced minimally evolved adenine-based editors that repair DNA with high precision using mutation reversion analysis. Additionally, engineers presented an artificial intelligence system using the NIO humanoid robot to provide personalized social training for children with autism. Hello and welcome back to the ENTech magazine. April 2026 issue, we have stories that will inspire your curiosity about science and technology. Story 2 India's STEM Moment. Preparing the next generation for an artificial intelligence-driven future is absolutely necessary. We ask a major question. Is India truly ready for its STEM moment? Educators are working hard to build strong technology programs in local schools. This article examines the steps needed to ensure students are prepared for tomorrow's digital economy. Story 3 Historic Events of April. Now we will visit our time capsule. On April 10, 1953, Warner Brothers premiered the first 3D film, proving that cinema could create immersive experiences beyond a flat screen. On April 14, 2003, scientists announced the successful completion of the Human Genome Project. Story 4 Collaborative Intelligence. The workplace of the year 2030 will look very different than it does today. To succeed, professionals will need collaborative intelligence to work effectively in mixed reality teams. Experts predict that human empathy and machine efficiency will soon combine. Learning how to work alongside smart technology is quickly becoming a critical career skill. Story 5 Personalized Learning with AI. Every student learns at their own unique pace, which makes traditional classrooms difficult for some. To provide better support, schools are exploring personalized learning with artificial intelligence. These smart systems adapt to individual student needs, offering extra help exactly when it is required. This approach makes education much more engaging and effective for everyone. Story 6 Engineering Intelligent Systems. Building smart software requires much more than just basic machine learning models. Software engineers must focus on creating complete intelligent systems that function reliably in the real world. This process involves testing data security, ethical guidelines, and hardware limits all at once. Creating these reliable systems ensures that future technology is both safe and highly effective. Story 7 AI-powered incident orchestration. Responding to large-scale network failures or emergencies requires perfect coordination. To manage these chaotic situations, tech companies are using artificial intelligence for incident orchestration. Smart algorithms analyze the problem instantly and guide human repair teams to the exact source of the issue. This rapid response minimizes downtime and keeps essential digital services running smoothly. Story 8 Green Nanomaterials. Manufacturing tiny technological components often creates toxic chemical waste. To protect the environment, chemists are focusing on the sustainable synthesis of green nanomaterials. Researchers use natural plant extracts instead of harsh chemicals to build these microscopic structures. This eco-friendly method provides safer materials for electronics and medical devices. Story 9 Space Exploration versus Problems on Earth. Spending billions of dollars on space travel often creates intense public debate. People frequently weigh the benefits of space exploration against solving pressing problems right here on Earth. This article explores how technology developed for space actually helps us clean our oceans and improve farming. Finding a balance between these two goals remains essential for our global future. Story 10 Why Time Slows Down During Fear. Experiencing a sudden scare often makes seconds feel like minutes. To explain this illusion, neuroscientists study exactly why time slows down during moments of extreme fear. Researchers discovered that our brains encode memories much more deeply when we feel threatened. This high-definition memory storage tricks our minds into believing that the frightening event lasted much longer than it actually did. Story 11 Custodio Parental Control App. Keeping children safe on the internet is a major concern for modern families.
For our curated app this month, we review the Custodio Parental Control application.
This digital tool helps parents monitor screen time and block dangerous websites easily.
It provides peace of mind while allowing kids to explore the digital world safely.
That's your April 2026 ENTech magazine preview. To read these articles in detail, explore more science topics, visit entechonline.com. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you don't miss future science content. Don't forget to share it with friends who love science. See you next time.